Hello, today I'm in Hyundai Tucson. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can mute and unmute the radio, change radio source, increase and decrease the volume, change radio station, answer and end the calls. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. On the panel on the right side, we've got the buttons thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster display, and panel thanks to which we can enable speed limiter, cruise control, and we can manage them. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.